Chairman of SCI Lloyd Rose says efforts are being made to have the cogen plant operate year-round. As such, fuel will be needed all year for the plant. This means that bagasse alone cannot be used. Late last month, SCI completed a test utilizing firewood chips sourced from within the community. The test revealed a much more stable and smooth boiler operation than was achieved using bagasse fuel, which often contains a higher moisture content.
In summary, what we are going to do is a mixture of fuel, a mixture of biogas. It's going to be some bagasse as existing from Albion, the excess, as I said. There's going to be some firewood, as we call it, from the forest. There's going to be some waste, it's rice husk, a blend of rice husk, which we can accept up to about a portion of about 12% in the mix. And it is also going to be waste from the sawmills. So we are really seeking no one source or solution. It's a mixture of all of those things, the equivalence of which is about 1 to 1.
Skeldon Energy Inc. aims at utilizing a mixed cogeneration in the short term irrespective of sugar production. The company's goal is to preserve the productive utilization of energy assets and to avoid its further deterioration and possible vandalism which could occur if it is left idle in spite of anticipated difficulty associated with the prolonged use of severely damaged boilers. According to Rose, Boiler 1 has already been repaired and efforts are now being made to carry out remedial repair and maintenance to the second boiler. When this is done, it will push the two 15 megawatt turbines. Meanwhile, Boiler 1 will then be stripped and fully replaced. When completed, it would have the ability to push both turbines, with Boiler 2 being used as a backup. Rose said it should take 18 months to complete the plan. Already tubes for the rebuild of Boiler 1 has been sourced from South Africa to the tune of $1 million.
We have reached out to the community and mainly the business people in the community who can act as reliable suppliers. We believe that if we set in a situation where they take on the responsibility and the contractor undertake that they in turn will employ whosoever they may from the community. Because essentially what we are doing is about, we'll create jobs. But we are not getting involved in that directly. We are getting into contractual arrangements for the supply and delivery of the material that we need, including the gathering and handling of the bagasse that may come from Albion.
While sugar production might not be, the Skeldon Sugar Factory may no longer be in operation. However, SCI will still be hoping to ensure the continued use of the cogen plant and job creation.
Other than bagasse, because we are not sure as to when there will be continued sugarcane operation and sugar production here. But in the meantime, we have a generating asset that feeds to the grid. It's an economic venture, and we will continue to use it, to improve it and to use it as such, using alternative fuels. It is important also for me to mention that the fact that we will source alternative fuels from the area in the form of bagasse from Albion, excess bagasse that is, in the form of firewood. You've seen a demonstration on how we're preparing firewood. We will sort of improve that process and as well as step it up. And you have seen that with that we can move towards a situation where with local fuel supporting the local economy, we can continue to operate the plant and produce energy, and in the process save foreign exchange. So the statement